Welcome to Creations Ltd, your one-stop destination for everything creative and design related. Whether you are a beginner looking to enhance your skill or a professional seeking fresh ideas, we have got you covered. In today's video, I will show you how to design an eye-catchy flyer using Canva, one of the easiest and most user-friendly tools for designer for all levels. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future design tips and tutorials. By the end of this video, you will be able to create something just like this, step by step. So let's get started. After creating page for flyer design, go to the element and search for a rectangle frame. Let's take this rectangle frame and adjust it like this all over the page. Now from the element, search for a building picture. Take this picture and from the edit, make it a black and white from the two tone. Adjust it a little bit. Now again from the element, search for a shape. Let's take this shape and press it and adjust it here. Press Alt and copy this shape and adjust one here and change the color of the shape for now it's red. Now take this shape and make it a thinner and adjust it like this. Delete this. Let's take a normal rectangle shape and make it a thinner and now adjust it like this. Now take a text box and type "We build." Change the font style in auto. Now take another text box and type "Your dream," and take another text box and type "Home." Now for dream, take a rectangle shape and place it behind and change the color in red and font color in white. Now take a text box and type the dummy text. Now from the elements, search for a home logo. Let's take this logo and adjust it over the "We build" and change the color. Now take a text box and type "About Us." Under that, press the dummy text. Make the "Your Home" normal and keep the color in red. And for "About Us," from the shape, let's take this arrow shape and adjust it behind the "About Us." section, company flyer, type the services. Reduce the font size, and from the element, now let's search a icon for this services. Type the keyword and search the icon for every services. After selecting the icon, adjust the text and the icon together. Make the icon and the text in center alignment and all the text in middle alignment. Now paste the dummy text under every services. Now from the element, search for a curve or a shape. Tape and place it behind and change the color in red. Now change the color of all services and icons in white. From the shape, let's take this rectangle shape and adjust it on the bottom of the page and change the color in white. Now select all the service name and give them an effect outline in black. Now adjust all the icon, service name and the dummy text. Search a line. For the line, go to the position and make it 90 degree. Make it smaller and adjust it middle as a middle partition between the services. Now select all the dummy text and make them a top alignment. Now from the shape, let's take this shape and adjust it on the left bottom corner of the page. Now from the element, search your email logo, make it smaller and adjust it on the right corner. Now search a web logo, again like previous, adjust it on the right corner. And now again search a location logo, take this and like previously, adjust it on the right corner. Now take shape and type call us for query, and take another text box and type the phone number and make the both text color in white. And for the right option, take a text box and type the email number, web number and the location. to the element and search for a construction logo. From here, take this logo and adjust it on the right corner of the page, and take a text box. Type the name of the construction company. Here, Dream Home Construction Ltd. Give it a line spacing 1.2 and adjust the name under the logo. Change the font style. Now, for this, type the quotation for a construction company. We don't just construction buildings, we create homes, shapes, cities, and the built future. Change the color in red, adjust it on the middle. Now adjust all the things. Now for this, let's change the color of all of these. It's not looking good in red. Now change the color in yellow, and for the text, go to the effect and give it an outline, black outline actually. All done. Here it is, a flyer design for a construction company. If you need this kind of design or any other custom design you need, like flyer design, brochure design, logo design, presentation design, or any other custom needs you have, please contact with us. Our contact details in attached in our description box. Thank you for watching. Stay with Creations Ltd.